Okay, good afternoon. My name is Hwarang Lee. From now, I want to going to give a presentation about the new policy of registering class. Okay. I'll tell you one story. At the day of the class registration, we became nervous because we might miss the time. You have to be at the punctual time at 9 o'clock. So maybe you wake up early in the morning and then sit in front of the desk, in the computer desk. And then 2 seconds before the time, you can feel the heartbeat of, even can feel the heartbeat. And 2 seconds before, just log in, and you found the computer is not working for about like 10 minutes. So you get panic in this time, like this girl. And after finally, when she logged in, she found that the class is already full. And now she has to give up the 4-day schedule, or she has to enroll the morning class like that. So it's sort of me like too. So we call this the war of class registration. 수강시청 전쟁. This happens every semester, and we got very stressed. So if you listen my presentation well, we might get out of this stress. Okay, so okay. So Hanyang University currently use EasyHub to enroll the class. So this is my EasyHub. You can see what I got. This registration. You can see presence and skills in here. So this is very convenient because you don't need to go to school. Just click in your home, just by computer. But you find many problems in each hub. The first problem is the first problem is blank market. This is a Hanyang bulletin board that is saying that I'm buying Momomo class, I'm buying Momomo course, I'm selling Momomo course. So the administration of university saying this is illegally, but this has happened. Do you know that Maegyong was 100,000 won? $100.
Which class?
The Maegyong, the popular class, one of the popular class. It is like an economic class, easy to get a score. So this is the first problem. So you can trade. Oh, what is it?
What about presentation skills?
Presentation skills.
No,
it is $1,000. Sorry.
1001?
Only you can enroll this class if you're qualified. Okay. And another problem is it gives too much pressure because thousands of people logged in one time. So sometimes the server is burned, so that's why they call it the lag in the server. And another problem is it works randomly. Depends on your computer situation or internet situation. So it's not fair actually. So people think about what could be another method. Okay, you already saw that. That is auction. So we use auction in here. So let me see. So auction is the thing that you're selling one product, and then there is a fundraiser. So he's gonna say 2,000. Who's next? 2,100. And then say 2,100. You got a deal. It's like that. It's auction. So how can you use this in auction registering class? So let's say that let's think that this is class name future of natural science. So maybe there is a kind of bidder like this. So I call the highest bidder 3,000, 30,000. So I got a deal. So do you think this is a joke or a kidding? This has really happened in Wharton School. Wharton School. The Wharton School is the business school of University of Pennsylvania, and it is ranked the best business school in the Finance Times in this year. So let's see about the Wharton School. There is a rule. The first rule is core courses are excluded from the auction. So even you failed in auction, you can listen to core courses. And the second rule is you are given equal 5,000 points to the auction. So it is a fair game, but you can only trade it by only given points, not with money. And the rule 3 is rule 3 is that you can also sell your courses by ask. Ask is that that minimum price that you want. It's like if I have a Jagami, the popular class, if I say I want 1,000 point minimum for ask, that is ask. So you can trade it. And the rule number 4 is there's a 10 rounds. So like actually in EasyHub, there's only one time. If you miss the first day of the class registration, it is hard to get Jagami after that. But in here, you have more chances, like 10 rounds. So it's more good. So let's see it here. Maybe really embarrassed. Okay. So this is the point that you have, 2,000 divided by 5. And this means round number 1. This is limit time. And this is the class name. And you can see the instructor name, the professor name here. And you can see what you bid. And this is all you bid. So I bid 100, 645 for this. So this is what's going to happen in Wharton School. So if I compare with EasyHub, EasyHub just you can give just priority. I just give priority Jagami for first priority. And I don't like organic chemistry, so I give 4th priority. But in Wharton auction, you can give how much do you want? Like I really want to listen to that course. Did you ever heard that one? Jagami before? You never? Yeah, I'll give 3,000 points for that. And I'll give 200 points for organic chemistry. So it is more reasonable. Even you give a first priority in EasyHub, if your computer is not good, you can listen that social science. So this is more reasonable. And the second thing is you have many chances that class that you want. And the third one is there will be no market. There is no even if you have $1 million, there is no way to give your class to another people. Only by points auction. But the problem is you have to keep monitoring the site to the right course. And because you have to keep bidding on something. And the fifth one is there will be a lot of speculation because you can sell the courses. Someone gonna buy something and then sell to a more bigger price. So it'll be a lot of speculation. Do you know what is speculation? Speculation is 도박. Yeah, it's like that. It's like 투자, like that thing. Because lack of time, I'll skip my story of class registration. So conclusion, adopting auction system will be good system, but there's also a lot of drawbacks too. So if you have a question, you can ask me. If you don't have, okay.
I think the black market will still exist even if we take this system. Because like if I only have 1,000 points, I can say I only have 1,000 points. I wanna take Megyong, but I can give you like 50,000 won, like extra money.
Okay, actually, black market means that the market that nobody can realize it. But in here, every trade can be realized by administration. So in that kind, that kind of black market is getting out. Black market is like doing that someone what is that? They're doing dealing, nobody watching. But in here, everyone can watch what's going on the trade. So that kind of be a market will be stopped. Okay.
How to log in or get to that black market? I didn't know.
I'll tell you later.
Please do.
Okay.
So, how many points do students get? Does every student get the same amount of points?
Yeah, everyone gets the same point, 5,000 points. Okay, so if you have a further question, you can contact me. I'll upload this presentation to my club. And I want to close my presentation. Registering popular class is very good, but doing your best in your class is, I think, more important. Thank you. I really get embarrassed by the PPT problem. Oh, I didn't expect it. Have a nice day, and if you have a time, drop by 한마당 because I have a dance performance today. At 7 o'clock.
Are you 알사방?
Yeah, that's right. I didn't realize it. Thank you so much.
Where's your dance party?
한마당, that is the place.
Or where is it?
한마당?
Is that the stadium?
Yeah, Abeo. No, Abeo. What is that?
Very high stairs.
You know,
Okay.
the bookstore?
Yep.
Best
7 o'clock?